Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Excellence 360. These tutorials are based on non-Mudalvan skill development program. I hope you all are learning and enjoying through my videos. In this video, we will learn how to work with length-oriented objects like line, track, or footpath in Plant Simulation 3D. For this, we will use simulation model we created in our previous video called 3D Basics. To get started, start Plant Simulation. Click Load the last model or Reset model on the start page. We are now going to replace Station 2 with the object or type line in a model. To do so, we firstly delete Station 2. We then move Station 3, Station 4 and the drain to the right to make more rooms for the line. Hold down the Control key and select the object you want to move. Now drag one of the selected object to the new position. You can zoom the scene in and out by rolling the mouse wheel. Select the line in the toolbox. Plant Simulation shows the dialog on which you can define the parameters of the line you want to insert. The anchor point height defines the distance of next anchor point of your line from the floor. When inserting a curve, Plant Simulation by default inserts it with a curve angle of 90 degrees and a radius of 2 meters. We start at Station 1. Click the left mouse button at the position where you want to start the line, or click on Station 1 to start at the axis of Station 1. The cursor will change to indicate that you are drawing a line. An auxiliary line will always be drawn to the floor. To make it easier finding the right position, at the distance of 2 meters, we make a second click with the left mouse button. This will draw the first segment of a line. Now we hold down the Control key to draw a curve. Then we move the mouse cursor that we see a curve to the right in the preview. To create the curve segment, we click the left mouse button. The curve has 90 degrees with a radius of 2 meters, as defined in the line parameters. We click the line by adding another segment of 2 meters, a curve and a last segment of about 4 meters. Now we have a geometric shape of a line. We need to connect Station 1 and Station 3. We need to adjust the shape of the line to the position of the stations. Then we open the context menu of the line and select the entry segment. Now we select Show in the sub-menu. This will show the anchor points of the line. Pick the last anchor point of the line. Drag the anchor point to the left side of the Station 3. This will adjust the line in a way that the segment of the line will remain and only length of the straight line will be adjusted. It is also possible to pick any anchor point of the line and drag this anchor point to another position to modify the line you need. Another possibility is to modify the anchor point of the line is to edit the segment table. In the segment sub-menu of the context menu of the line, we select Edit. This opens a table with the definitions of anchor points. We now want to modify the height of some anchor points of the line. To do so, we select the 4 anchor points in the middle of our line. Hold down the Control key and press the up and down arrow keys. This moves the selected anchor points in a Z direction. Because the first and last anchor points are not selected, they remain at 1 meter. The first and last line segments therefore are in inclined plane. When we run the simulation, you will see the movables unit animated along the line. This is the end of our topic, working with 3D and length-oriented objects. To gain the perfection, keep practicing and experimenting with different values. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.